Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I am so excited because I have a new palette from Simply Posh Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite indie brands because it is local to me. And this is the Strawberry Picnic palette. Thank you so much, Kayla, the owner of Simply Posh, for sending me this in PR. Let's take a closer look at this Summer Goodness palette. So primarily a green and pink palette, which is what I'm all about. I think this perfectly embodies the word strawberry and definitely picnic time. You see the little basket weave on the back, but these are 18 shadows. Per usual, from Simply Posh, we get a lighter row of mattes at the top and a darker row of mattes at the bottom, and the beautiful shimmer shadows in between. I believe you can pop out all of these shadows and put them into your own magnetic palette if you choose to do so. But this is a nice like faux leather outer packaging, really cute, definitely on theme with the name of the palette. And I like the full-size mirror and the like gingham print up here, so really cute. I will be creating two looks for you guys. This is one of them right here. This is actually look number one, and when I'm filming this portion of the intro, spoiler alert, this is like at the 10-hour mark. So if you like the way this looks, you definitely want to stay tuned, watch how I created it, and then stay tuned for the second look as well. This palette is going to launch on June the 12th at 3 p.m. CST. I do have an affiliate code with Simply Posh Cosmetics, and it is Steff. That will save you 10% off of your order. The palette will be priced at $65. If you feel like you need this beautiful palette in your stash or you want to get some inspo for it, then keep on watching. All right, guys, before we dive into Strawberry Picnic, as promised in the intro, I wanted to show you these newly refreshed, updated brushes that Simply Posh Cosmetics has already launched, or they will launch when this palette launches. You have all the eye brushes you need, blending, doing eyeliner work, inner corner work. You have everything you need for packing on shadows right in here. And so these are the brushes that I will be using in today's video. So I'm going to be wearing like taupe to work today, so really anything will go. I think I am going to start, oh, you guys know I love green, and I think I'm going to start over here. I'm going to work with this one, and maybe these two, but for sure 1, 2, 3, for sure those. Let's start here. This one is called Garden Fresh, and I am going to be using a, do these have numbers? Oh no, I don't think these have numbers on them. Well, it's one of the tapered blending brushes. I'm going to start here in the inner corner. I've already laid down my Beauty Bay eyeshadow primer. And just going in with this here. All right, so I'm going to make a change. Instead of using the shade, I'm going to go straight into this one. This one's called In Season. The brush I picked up is just slightly smaller. Oops, I was starting on this side. And you can see I'm going to focus that outer corner as well as in the crease. That is a beautiful green color. I love it. Now with that same brush, we're going to go into the deeper shade right here, Berry Barn. Really just smoking out the outer corner. Okay guys, I think we have a really nice blend. Let's choose a shadow. We have so many options. I think this one, Berry Fields. Let's try it. I'm just setting down some Moira glitter glue before we apply the shimmer. Now we're applying the shadow on top of that glitter glue. Might need to use my finger. Oh, look at that. You can see like the gold and the pink red in there. That is so pretty. I feel like I got a little bit of fallout, but that is a beautiful shadow. Okay, I think this looks fantastic. I want to just pop it real quick with the shade Blanket I'm going to pick that up and I'm just going to apply it right here in the center. Just adds a little bit more sparkle. Next, I'm just touching up the dark green that was on the outer corner. I'm also going to touch up the lighter green that is in the crease. Next, I'm going to use this tiny little brush to do some lower lash line work. And I think I'm going to go into, I think I'm just going to stick to these shadows here. And I'm going to use Orchard, which I didn't get to use on the top. But I might darken it up a little bit with one of the darker greens we used. We'll see. Maybe the eyeliner I choose can darken this up with just a little bit, especially like on the outer portion. Yeah, that looks good. For the inner corner, I have a little bit of glitter glue on the back of my hand, so I'm going to pop that right there. And we can do that shadow that I added in the center. Just going to put a little bit right there. Perfect. Hey guys, I will take care of these little finishing touches and I will be right back to show you this completed look number 1. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 1. I did add a tiny falsie. If you want a really natural looking lash, something to just enhance, like give you volume. And I am gluing these underneath, and sometimes like these inner corners, I don't know, that one looks like I might need to give it a little more attention, but these are the ones I'm using, Faux Mink Delicates from Ardell Lashes. I used a NYX green eyeliner in the lower waterline, Maybelline mascara, the lifter mascara, and I love the way this looks. I am going to do a wear test for you guys today on this look number 1, so I'll be back at the end of my day to wrap up this wear test, and then we will start working on look number 2. Hey guys, so here is what the look is looking like at the 10-hour mark. I love the way this turned out, and actually the pants I'm wearing, I thought they were like a taupe color, but they're actually more like a green color, so it just complemented this whole look perfectly. I'm so happy with it. Let's start creating look number 2 with Strawberry Picnic. All right, guys, so let's start working on look number 2. I'm wearing more pink today, like pink, blue, and green. It's on my white shirt. So, what do we feel like doing? I don't know that I want to do a full-on pink look at the top. I think I want to keep it a little more neutral. So I'm going to start here with this one. This is Picnic. And then I'm going to go into this one, Farmer's Market. And probably deepen up with this one. This one is called Chocolate Dipped. So we'll do those 3. And this is the brush I'm using from Simply Posh. I've already laid down my Beauty Bay eyeshadow primer. This is just going to give a good base color to this look. We have a little visitor. Say hi, sister. Sister, say hi. Can you say hi? There, look at her. Ah. Okay, sister. Go. So take care of your things that you do this in the mornings. Now I'm going into the shade Farmer's Market on this brush. Again, just building it slightly on top and under where I placed the first shade. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Chocolate Dipped, and I'm going to use this smaller little blending brush. Focus right here, like on the lash line and outer corner, outer V. Those are some rich colors, but see, I'm already getting a little bit of fallout. Now, I think for the lid, I think I'm going to do this one, Shortcake, and then we might pop it with gingham right here. Using my Refer 28 to lay down some Moira glitter glue. All right, so I'm picking up Shortcake. And I'm going to start applying. Beautiful sparkle. Again, this might be a shade best applied with your finger for maximum payoff. I think it's looking pretty good. There's a slight texture to it, but I think the texture kind of helps to conceal some of the little fine lines I have going on my lid, the little folds. At least it worked yesterday. There's some fallout there. Okay, let me do the next, or do the same thing on the left eye. All right, next I'm gonna pick up gingham with my finger. We're gonna put it here in the center. Adds a little bit of a pink gold reflect. Now for the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna do something like this. Berry picnic. No, what does it say? Berry picking. I'm gonna use this little brush, also from Simply Posh. I think that's the perfect complement. Now for the inner corner, I think I'm going to go back in with gingham right here. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I'll take care of little finishing touches off camera, and I'll be right back to share with you what this look looks like, the completed look. All right guys, so here is the completed look number 2. I'm loving this look. Like, I feel like there's just a soft glistening sunset on my eyes. I think it looks really cool. The lashes I went in today with are the Ardell Demi Wispy lashes, and I glued them underneath. I went in with a peach color ColourPop eyeliner for the lower waterline, no eyeliner on the top lash line, and I'm still using my Dior mascara. So this look is great. I do want to wrap the video up when I get back from work, so you also get another 10-hour wear test today with this look. And I will check in with you guys later. Hey guys, so here we are at like the 10.5-hour mark. This is what the look is looking like on day 2, and I love it. I really like this warm toned look. I think the shimmers and the mattes in this palette are really nice. Strawberry Picnic from Simply Posh Cosmetics. Loving this color story. I think this is definitely a year-round palette. I like the warm tones. You get a couple little cool tones up here, but I love that there is a green section, a brown section, a red, pink section. I think there's a lot of versatility with this palette, and I do like the layout. I think it's a cute concept, and I think it is a fantastic formula on par with the other Simply Posh Cosmetics palettes. Let me see. I need to refer back to my notes to give you all the launch details, but this palette is going to be available this week, and I'll tell you right now because I forgot from the intro to now that I'm filling the outro. June 12th at 3 p.m. CST. That's when Strawberry Picnic is going to be available for purchase. You can use my affiliate code Steff to save 10% off of your order if you would like to support my channel and also to support Simply Posh Cosmetics. This is a local to me indie makeup brand, and I am so excited that I got this palette in PR and was able to create 2 looks for you guys. I think it is definitely worth checking out, and if this is going to be your first Simply Posh Cosmetics purchase, this is a good palette to start. Let me know what you thought of today's video. What did you think of the 2 looks I created? And let me know if Strawberry Picnic is going to be finding its way into your stash this summer. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, and I'll see you soon. Bye.